What's up everybody and welcome to another video. For today it's your boy Ebrahim Mbokazi over here. So on today's video we will be looking at coins which are under $1. So these coins that I'm picking basically, or these coins that I have done my research on and I have seen that these coins are really undervalued, and I decided, hey, what is it for me to just share some of these coins which are undervalued at this moment and have a really good potential to actually reach $1 and go above $1. So these are some coins that I will be sharing with you. By the way, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so this is just my pick coins. Okay, so the first coin that I will be sharing with you is CFX coin. This token right here, so as you can see, this token has had a tremendous dump from the all-time high all the way to this level right here. And then as we can see, this coin made a small consolidate. It's been going up and down at this level to this level right here. What's happening? Oh, so as you can see now, this coin reached the all-time low at this point. It pulled back all the way here, and then it started playing also at this level, and now it just started consolidating at this level right here, which you can see, which is this yellow box right here. It just started consolidating at this level, and as you can see over here, this is a very strong support level at this moment, because we can see it touched 1 2 3. So it really became a strong level of support, and now as we can see, volume has just came back within this market. We can see that volume was literally dry all this time, and then right here we just had a spike up on this candlestick right here, and then we had another spike up on this candle, and we can see that volume is coming back into the market. So what am I looking for on this coin right here is I'm looking for a breakout above this yellow box right here, but already we have already broken out this level right here, which was a major level of support, and then it became it just started consolidating. So now we have broken this. Now our resistance is at this level right here. We can see that it's failing to break above the 41 cents mark, which is something that we're definitely going to see happening in this bull market. And we can also see that the nitrous bull has actually called it bull. So if you are using this indicator, you would have caught the signal of bull and actually started accumulating this coin at this level right here at 26 cents going up to 28 cents. You would have started accumulating some of this coin, and as you can see right now, you should have been sitting in good profits if you have accumulated this coin. But definitely there is still more opportunities in accumulating this coin. As we can see, it's also above my 50 EMA, my 50 moving average, so which also signify a good bullish momentum within this coin. And the second one will be Matic. So when I did my analysis on Matic, it was still below $1, and at this moment now it's sitting above $1. But I'm not going to take it I'm not going to take out Matic from this list, because it's still part of my analysis, and I still see it going above. Actually, it's above $1. I do see it going to $2 and actually going above $2 in future. So as we can see that this market came all the way from the highest high, the all-time high, which was at this point right here, dumping all the way to this level right here. So now we can see it's literally starting to form a U shape right here. We can see, well, it looks like a V shape, but we can also say it's a U shape. We can see it right here. So it has literally formed a V shape, which signifies a good signal for a bullish momentum within the market. And we can also see that volume was dry all along on this area right here until we reached this level right here. And then we saw volume started coming in, and we can see also like these candles of volume are a little bit higher than these levels right here, where we literally had no volume coming into the market, and then volume started pumping, and now we are also down with volume right here. But we can see like these two candles right here, these candles right came in with a lot of momentum, but the volume was still dry. But these candles came in with a lot of momentum and actually pushed this market up, which also signify that this area right here, I see this area as a very good level of also consolidation. This level right here, it's a very good level of consolidation until we start trading above this area right here. I would say that once we actually break this level right here, definitely I will see Matic going all the way back to the $1.71, and if it actually breaks that level, we are definitely going to see Matic reaching the all-time high of $2 let's see of $2.44. So that's my prediction for Matic. And the next one will be Algorand. So Algorand is another dope project out there that's really doing good stuff, and it's really doing awesome out there basically. So on this chart right here, as we can see, like all this, the area that I have marked in yellow, this is a good zone of support right here. This level right here, we can see it as a very, very good strong level of support. We can see that it actually bounced once, twice, and this is the third time that it bounced, and now it's just consolidating within this yellow box right here. Though as we can see, the nitrous bull has called it bullish on this candle right here. So now we can definitely start seeing bullish momentum coming within this market. And if we look at the volume right here, we can see that volume was dry all the way from here, and there was a slight pickup in volume. If we look at this candle right here, this candle right here has a small body. It's not such a long candle, but we can see volume actually pumping on this candle, which signifies that buying pressure is coming back into the market, and definitely we could see this token actually break out of this level of this yellow box right here. And once it breaks out from this yellow box right here, I can definitely see it coming to play around in these levels of the $1.14 and $1.09 right here. So this will be my next target for this coin, but as soon as it breaks out of this yellow box, then we are definitely going up. And also the nitrous bull has called it bullish, which is also good momentum. The only thing that I'm really waiting for right now is for it to trade above the 50 moving average. Once it starts trading above the 50 moving average, then definitely this coin is going to the moon. And my next pick will be HBAR. So HBAR is another dope project that you should also look into, guys. Like all of these coins have a very good backing when it comes to projects. So I would also recommend that you also check out the project and just read up more about what's going on within the token. As we can see, this coin right here, bro, it has been bouncing off until it took a nice dip from the all-time high. It took a nice dip all the way to this level right here. It actually bounced right here, and then we actually saw it actually going back up, and actually also coming and testing this level 3 times. So we can actually see that it actually came to this support level, tested it once, twice, and it kind of consolidated. It tested it a third time. It tried to break, but it failed to break this level. So whenever you see something to this scale, whereby you see a coin or any token that keeps testing support and failing to break support, whereby if you see it in a daily time frame, then you should know that that level of support, it gets stronger and stronger, and it's most likely that that coin will be trading away from that level of support, because now that level of support is much more stronger. So what am I looking for in this coin? I am waiting for it to actually break out on this level, out of this yellow box right here. The one thing I could see which is positive on this token right now is that we are also trading above the 50 moving average, and the nitrous bull has actually called it bull. So that means now there's literally there is momentum that's coming into this market, and now this coin is just about to break out. Once it break out here, I'm looking for it to reach above these levels of 35 cents, and if it actually breaks the 35 cents, then we are definitely going back to the all-time high of 40 cents, and I can most certainly see this coin actually going above the 40 cents level. But if we have to look at volume, we can see that volume is still dry. Like, there's not enough volume in the market as yet for this coin to actually start pushing. But once we actually see a break above this yellow box, we will definitely see a spike in volume. And once we see a spike in volume, then we should be longing and going long on this token right here. And let's go to the next one. The next one will be Decentraland, which is Mana. In abbreviation, the abbreviation name is Mana. What a beautiful name, by the way. So as we can see that this token right here, it came down from this level right here, from the highest high, which was $1.55, came back all the way to the bottom right here, testing this level, and it actually from here went up, and then as we can see, it came back down. It came back down, tested this level right here. So as we can see that it actually tested this level also 1, 2, 3 times. So as we can see, most of these coins that I've been sharing with you, they all have tested support levels 3 times or even more. And as it keep testing the levels 3 times, what are we looking for? We're looking at double bottoms, we're looking at triple bottoms. So for me, I would take this some of this as triple bottoms and some as head and shoulders. It forms a head and shoulders patterns, or it could form a triple bottom, depending on how you're looking at it. So as soon as you see those kind of signals, then you should expect the market to take a reversal within those levels. So what I can see that is this market has traded above my yellow box, which was a level of strong support right here. So I'm just going to pull it up a little bit, all the way to here. It has traded above this level right here. So what am I looking for right now is I'm looking for this token to start trading and actually start testing this yellow box right here, which will be the 90 cents level. So I'm looking and waiting for it to actually start bouncing off, start touching this yellow box right here, start trading on this level right here. Once it starts doing that, I'm looking for pullbacks. Once I see pullbacks, I am buying more into it. And what I'll be also looking at, I'll also be looking at volume. So we can see that volume started coming in right here on the 6th of July, and we can see that the nitrous bull actually called it bull. So that means bullish momentum started coming within the market, and then the market started showing bullish momentum, and then it went up, it came back down. But we could see that when it shot up, it actually went all the way above our yellow box, and it is still it is trading above the 50 moving average, which is also a good signal that the market has momentum to actually start going up, because we could also see that volume is also, it's also showing that there is more people that are getting into this coin. So that signifies a very good bullish momentum for me. And on the next coin will be One Harmony. So I am also very bullish on this token right here. Like, I'm so bullish on this token. I was literally accumulating as much as I can of this token previously when it was still consolidating at this level, and I'm still accumulating as much as I can on this coin because I am a firm believer of this project. This project is really doing well. Besides the project, the team, the work that it's doing, it's a very awesome project, which I will also recommend that you also look into and understand the project, what's the utility behind this token. So as we can see, like right now, it has broken above this level of consolidation, or should I say this level of support right here, which signifies that this market is really doing well. This coin is really doing well. We are also trading above the 50 moving average. We can see also that the nitrous bull has also called it bullish. The one thing that really worries me within this market is that the volume is still dry. Like, there's literally a very low volume within this token. That really gets me worried. Now, what's going to happen next? So for me to actually see, for this market to actually for you to actually see volume within this market start coming in, I would probably wait until we break above the level of 93 cents, break above this black line right here. Then probably I would start seeing a little bit more volume coming into the market, because like since the 10th, or should I say, let's just say since the whole month of June, there hasn't been much volume coming into this market or to this coin right here. So once we break above the 93 level or 94 level, we should be seeing extra volume, or we should be seeing volume coming into this market. But until then, I still remain bullish on this coin, and this is a very good buy for me, and I'm still accumulating more of this coin. The next pick will be VChain. So VChain is another project that you should also look into. A very dope project. Been bullish on this coin since the previous bull run until it crashed, and I've been waiting for it to really crash much more further, but I could see that now this market has reached a good level of support. And as I said this previously, these coins are all forming a triple bottom. As we can see, it touched once, it touched twice, it touched the third time, and then now it literally broke out of this level. So we can see that volume was dry until it came up to this level where the nitrous bull actually called it bullish, and then we started seeing volume coming into this market, which is one thing we should always be looking for. Even though the technical analysis could say that this market is going up, but the most important thing is there enough volume to actually support what the candlesticks are saying? Because the volumes actually determine how much pressure is going into the market, or how much money is going into the market. As we can see, like, volume is coming up, and now we are trading above the 50 moving average, which is a very good signal of a bullish move. So what I'm just going to be waiting for now is wait for it to actually test all the way up to the 14 cents, and once we reach the 14 cents, we'll be waiting for a breakout above the 14 cents, and then definitely we'll be testing the all-time highs, which was at 25 cents, and hopefully we can just break above that, and let's see where this coin will be going. And the next coin will be Ravencoin. Ravencoin is also another dope project that you should also look into. Dope work which has been done on this token, and I really love it. Also bullish. We can see like this now. This is so obvious that this market the Ravencoin is really going to start pumping. We can see that right now. Nitrous bull called it bullish already. And if we have to look at the 50 moving average, we can see that the 50 moving average now is way below, and the candles are really pushing, are really pumping. Look at this aggressive move right here, and look at this aggressive move right here. So as soon as this candlestick right here closes above this black line, we are definitely seeing a much more bigger improvement, or should I say more bullish movement within this token. I can see this token actually going for the 20 cents mark within the few weeks time to come, or even during this month, though we should also expect reversals, retracement within the movement of it going all the way to 20 cents. But I do see it actually going all the way to 20 cents within the short time frame of, let's just say, a month. But totally bullish. Look at the volume, pumping. We could see volume was dry all along. Volume started coming in on these candles right here. When it tried to break out of this yellow box, it failed to break, and as soon as it broke out, we can see volume came in, and then when we had this huge spike right here, volume just went berserk. And as we can see from now, we have enough volume to see that this market is definitely bullish. And for the next coin will be Phantom. Yo, I am so bullish on this coin. It's crazy. I've been following this project for some time now, and luckily I saw this project when it was still dumping, and I literally just waited for it to keep on dumping until I saw that, okay, now we are at an area of support, and this support, it's not breaking below the 14 cents level. And I was like, you know what, I'm going all in on this coin because I can see the project is dope. The impact it's creating around the world in these poor countries and in other countries, like, and the people that are connected and working on this project, the team that's involved in this project is amazing. Like, this is one of my top altcoin picks for this month. Matter of fact, like, this is one of my top picks on this coin. And by the way, we have also put up a brief documentation regarding this coin on Crypto University, so you can go ahead and go check that out on Crypto University. I will share the link on the description. You can go and check that out. But I am very bullish on this token and everything that it's been done in this project. It's really amazing. I'm really in love with this project, basically. But as we can see right here, it came all the way from the 92 cents level. Like, came all the way from the 92 cents level. It crashed all the way to the bottom. It tried to pull back, couldn't. And as we can see, it came back, tested this level, and as we can see, it pushed back up, tested that level, failed to break that level, and then we can see that it came back, tested this level, and right now it's sitting at a very good level also of resistance. But what I can tell you is that this coin right here has great potential of actually landing a good candle above this level. Once it lands a nice good candle above this area right here. Let me just put another line right here for you so you can see this. Once it can land another candle right above this level right here, because what I can see also, what's going to happen in this area right here, looking at previous market structure, this area right here, what I can see happen here is it could just start to play around within this level. It could consolidate a little bit before actually shooting all the way and testing this level. So that's what I can see that could happen on this coin when I'm looking at it. This level right here, it could consolidate, play around this level, and once it breaks out, it's definitely going to the 40 cents mark. And this is a very good time to actually accumulate this token right here, because even on the RSI, it has not even hit oversold as yet, though we can see that volume is also still on a low. Though the beautiful thing is that the nitrous bull has called it bull, and it's also trading above the 50 moving average, which is also awesome. As we can see, guys, when we are looking at these coins to buy, we need to look at different perspective and different indicators, and put all these indicators together in such a way that they all tell us one thing. Basically, you can't have one indicator that's telling you the opposite and one that's telling you another thing. They all need to collaborate together and give you an one conclusion, basically. So that's what we're seeing right here. Nitrous bull, call it bullish, trading above the 50 moving average. Volume is not so dry, but we can see volume is really starting to pick up. It's not even oversold as yet. So once it reaches the 40 cents mark, then we'll probably see it oversold. And last but not least will be Stella. So Stella is also another dope project. This coin is also in the top 20. Let me see. Yeah, it's number 20 on the coin market cap. So this coin is also on the top 20 on coin market cap, which is also something good because it has a high market cap on it. So what am I looking for on this coin right here is I'm looking for it to actually break above this level right here now. but actually it has been trading really good within the past few days, because we can see that bullish momentum has been showing. Nitrous Bull called it bull, trading above the 50 moving average. Though one thing that worries me is that there is not enough volume as yet within the market. So that really kind of worries me for some time for now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for it to actually start picking up in volume. But while it does that, I'm looking for bullish momentum candles. If I can see this candle right here closes above this level, then I should also start seeing volume starting to pick up within the next coming days or coming weeks. But this coin is also a definite bullish momentum. Definite bullish momentum. I mean, it's a definite bullish token for you to actually have a look at. So guys, by the way, this was just my pick of some tokens or some coins that I really think that they have potential of actually reaching the $1 mark and actually breaking above the $1 mark. So if you don't have a lot to spend on and you want coins which are undervalued, these are some of the coins that you should look into. And for you guys that actually want to start learning how to trade and learn how to invest in cryptocurrency, I would suggest that you go and visit cryptouniversity.co.za. Link will be in the description also. So we offer trading courses. We have a Bitcoin basic course, and we also have an investing mastery course. So within these courses, as you can see, you will learn how to trade. You will learn how to read you will learn how to read charts and candles. You will learn about Binance and other crypto exchanges. That's on the trading mastery course. So all what I have done for you right now, all this analysis, basically that's what we're going to be teaching you, and much more in details. And on the basics, basically, if you don't understand what's cryptocurrency, what's Bitcoin, the basic course will give you all the information that you need to know about Bitcoin and everything that you need to know, including fundamentals and so forth. And the investing course will help you build a portfolio. Basically, when you're starting into cryptocurrency or into Bitcoin, you need to have an understanding if you are coming in as a trader or as an investor. So these two courses will help you differentiate between, are you an investor or are you a trader? So I would definitely recommend. But you can also get it as a discount, as a package, as you can see over here. Instead of paying $140, you will be paying $120. And what I'll also be doing for you guys is that I will also be leaving you with a discount coupon code for the first 100 people to actually sign up with my link in the description. So I will be leaving a discount code for you guys. So make sure that you check that out and sign up on Crypto University and upgrade your knowledge. And let's get this money, yo. Let's get this money. So from me, guys, thank you very much for watching up until the end of this video, and I will see you on the next one.